It's your girl, Booya, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, your girl will be showing you the only makeup brushes that you'll ever need. In this video, guys, I'm gonna show you bakit hindi nyo kailangan ng madaming brushes for personal makeup use and how to choose the makeup brushes for you. So, a little bit of disclaimer lang, guys. Yung mga brushes na ipapakita ko sa inyo, these brushes really work out for me and sa preference ko. And yung mga formula ng mga makeup na ginagamit ko, these brushes may or may not work for you kasi iba-iba naman tayong techniques, iba-iba naman tayong styles. But I'm sharing with you my essential makeup brushes just so sa mga people na naghahanap pa ng mga makeup brushes nila, they're looking for a good makeup brushes, hindi nila alam kung paano maghanap ng magandang makeup brushes. Some of my brushes may work for you, some of them may not. So, ayan lang guys, a little disclaimer. So, you can always adjust the brushes depending on your preference and of course, depende sa formula ng makeup na ginagamit nyo. So, the first brush that I'm gonna be talking about is the Pro Multi-Purpose Buffing Brush ng NYX Cosmetics. So, I got this brush a long time ago nung nag-NYX Face Awards ako. And ito yung isa sa mga prices nila. So, sa website ng NYX Cosmetics, this cost for $17. Pero, if i-convert natin sa peso, so it's around 890 pesos. I'm not sure lang if this is still available here because I don't think NYX is still around sa Philippines. And parang nag-close down na yung mga physical stores nila. So, I'm not sure if this kind of brush is available. But guys, I really swear by this brush. So what I like about the bristles of this brush is napaka-soft niya. As in, it's super duper soft, especially sa end. As you can see guys, it's super packed, diba? As in, napaka-tight niya compared to, for example, this brush. This is super loose compared dito. Hindi siya as loose. It's super packed and it's so dense. But despite of being super packed and so dense, napaka-soft pa rin niya. So it's a perfect brush when blending foundation. It has a perfect balance kasi guys of the density of the bristles and the softness of the bristles as well. Because ayoko guys ng sobrang tigas naman kasi napakasakit naman sa skin ng face natin. This one, it's just perfect. When you blend it out, hindi siya nagsistreaks because of its softness and because of its density. Yung pagka-bind sa kanya, yung density niya is just enough na hindi siya matigas, hindi din siya soft. It's just perfect. And for me, it's the perfect brush when blending out liquid foundations or mga cream foundations. Yung ibang brushes kasi guys, if a little bit matigas yung brushes nila and a little bit loose, nagiging streaky yung pag-blend yun ng foundation. Actually guys, before, hindi ko pinapansin yung brush na to kasi iba yung ginagamit ko before na foundation brush. Although guys, yung previous brush na ginagamit ko, pag binablend ko yung foundation sa skin ko, nagsistreaky siya. Gumagamit pa ako ng beauty blender just to even out the streaks. But eto, hindi ko na kailangan ng extra sponge, extra beauty blender kasi napaka-perfect na ng buffing brush na to. Na-discover ko to guys kay Jackie Aina kasi eto yung ginagamit niya na brush. Nung nakita ko na ginagamit yun ni Jackie Aina, kinuha ko siya, ginamit ko siya, and guys, it is the best thing ever. Oh my god. Mas bet ko kasi talaga guys yung blending brushes or buffing brushes over beauty blenders and sponges. Ang sakit kasi sa kamay pag nagpa-pounce ka ng sponge. As much as possible, gumagamit na ako ng mga beauty blenders or sponges pag nag-i-even out ng mga streaks. But since I have this, I don't need it anymore. So if you can't afford this brush or you can't find it anymore because I don't know kung meron pang next store or if available pa ba to online, but yung advice ko lang sa inyo when looking for a foundation brush, when you're looking for a buffing brush, then I suggest you guys, you look for a brush na soft yung bristles, and then the brush or the buffing brush should be a little bit packed like this. Like it's so packed, yet it's so soft. And guys, please avoid mga hard bristled makeup brushes because it's gonna aggravate your skin and it's gonna cause your skin to break out. So highly suggest you avoid those kinds of brushes. So the next brush that I'm gonna show you guys is yung parang brow brush ng ZOEVA. Actually, fake lang ko na ZOEVA guys. Nakita ko lang siya sa Shopee and bumili ako ng set. So, yung brush na to, part siya ng isang set. Pero eto lang yung pinaka-bet na bet ko na brush out of all the brushes from that set. So, yung purpose dapat talaga ng brush na to is parang brow highlighting or parang yung pang-carve siya ng eyebrows. But I don't use it for the brow bone or for brow purposes. I use it pang-apply tsaka pang-blend ng concealer ko. Kasi guys, parang same sila ng buffing brush ko na soft yung bristles yet densely packed. So, ganyan din dito. And I like it because when I apply my concealer, nagiging soft yung application niya. So, nagiging perfect siya na combination with my Nars Soft Matte Concealer. When I use this brush to apply that concealer, mas nagiging soft and soft blurred and soft matte blurred lalo yung application ng concealer. Usually guys, yung nakikita natin na concealer brush ay yung ganito, yung napaka-flat, napaka-nipis. And the way yung pag-bind ng bristles ng brush na to ay napaka-tight. Compared dito, this is a little loose, but this one, it's super tight. If mas konti yung bristles niya and if mas tight yung pag-bind niya, mas matigas. So if super flat and mas matigas yung brush, mas madami siyang product na napipick up, for example, sa concealer pot or sa mga foundation sticks nyo compared sa gantong kind of brush. Since ito guys, yung brush na to, mas thicker siya and a lot softer and hindi siya masyadong tight yung pag-bind ng brush na to, konti lang yung product na pinipick up niya sa concealer pot. So with that said, mas controlled yung pag-apply ko ng concealer sa face ko and mas makaka-build up ako compared to this one. And na-avoid niya guys yung pagiging cakey ng face because sobrang konti lang ng product na pinipick up niya compared sa usual flat concealer brushes. Look for something that is thicker than the usual flat brush and something that looks like this. I also have this kind of concealer brush guys. Yun nga lang, since mas manipis siya compared to this one and hindi masyado tight yung pag-bind sa kanya, mas tricky yung application niya sa skin. For me guys, nag-a-affect talaga yung kind of bristles ng brush and kung paano binind yung bristles ng brush sa makeup application. So I'm really picky when it comes to that and hopefully nadadigest nyo yung information. So now let's proceed naman sa blush brush ko. So I got this brush from FOCALLURE. So, meron silang face brush na set. Dalawa lang from that set, yung pinaka-essential for me. So, isa to, tsaka yung isa na i-mention ko mamaya. I use this brush to pick up a product from my fluff matte. So, the shade that I'm using ngayon is Girl Crush. Thus, what I do is I just get a little bit of product from the fluff matte and then yan yung ina-apply ko sa face ko. What I like about this, since soft yung bristles niya and yung pag-bind ng brush na to is a little bit loose, when I blend the fluff matte sa face ko, parang ang soft blush lang siya. Hindi siya yung matigas na kind of blush and yung size niya perfect lang sa cheeks ko. By the way guys, I don't use powder blushes pag everyday makeup look kasi ayoko na madaming nilalagay na powder sa face ko, especially sa mga everyday makeup look kasi mas nagiging cakey yung face at the end of the day. So as much as possible, ginagamit ko yung mga tints or yung fluff matte ko. So next brush that I have is again from FOCALLURE. So eto yung next brush na bet ko sa kanila. So eto yung powder brush ng FOCALLURE from the face brush set. What I like about this is, oh, it's so soft, honey. And yung pag-bind sa kanya, loose lang. And it picks up just the right amount of powder that I want for my face because I have dry skin. And your girl doesn't want a lot of powder on her face, so this is really perfect for me. So I just want to quickly talk about guys how the binding of the brush makes a difference when it comes to the makeup application. So we're gonna talk about these two brushes and kung paano sila binind and kung bakit yung pag-bind sa kanila makes a difference talaga. So both of these brushes guys have very soft bristles. Okay, so when I feel both of them, they're really soft. Pero yung nagpapa-differentiate sa kanilang dalawa ay kung paano sila binind. So eto, mas densely packed siya and mas tight yung pag-bind sa kanya. And for the powder brush naman, mas loose yung pag-bind sa kanya. Actually guys, yung bristles ng brush na to go from here up to here pa yan guys. Same as the buffing brush, from here to here. Hindi niya makikita kasi may binding na eh. The reason bakit mas packed tingnan yung buffing brush na to compared dito sa powder brush is because yung pag-bind sa brush na to ay malapit na sa end ng bristles. Compared naman sa powder brush guys, since malayo pa yung binding sa tip ng bristles, kaya mas loose yung brush na to. So, I'm gonna get guys a Sanrio band and I am gonna tighten the bind of the bristles of this brush para maging ganito siya. Para makita niyo yung difference. difference, guys. And I'm gonna scooch it out. Kita nyo, guys? May difference agad. So, as you can see, it's still loose. So, I'm gonna adjust this band higher. So, it's getting more packed na, mas tighter na siya. Hindi na siya as loose as it was before. Kasi yung binding niya, mas malapit na sa tip ng bristles. Yung pag-bind ng brush really makes a difference. And because, guys, ganito na yung pag-bind ng bristles ng brush, magiging iba na yung purpose ng brush na to. Hindi na siya magiging powder brush. I have another powder brush na exactly the same as this. So, eto yung difference ng dalawa. As in, kitang-kita nyo, guys, big difference talaga yung pag-bind ng brushes. Yan lang, guys, yung gusto kong i-instill sa inyo na the binding of the brushes, the texture of the bristles of the brushes will really make a difference when it comes to the performance and the purpose of the brush. So, eto, guys, yung mga essential brushes for me. As you can see, 4 lang talaga, guys. 4 lang to achieve this look and even a glam makeup look. But, of course, wala na yung mga cut crease, yung mga simple glam makeup look, ma-achieve nyo talaga only using 4 brushes. So, I hope this video was helpful and informative. Let me know, guys, if meron pa kayong questions regarding makeup brushes, where to get them. Tsaka, if meron pa kayong beauty questions, you can always message me on my Instagram account, is Booya. And also, guys, as you can see, I cut my hair now. Let me know in the comment section below kung ano yung feels nyo sa aking short hair. I actually didn't want to cut my hair because I wanted to keep it long. Ayoko na kasi i-keep, guys, yung mga bleached parts kasi patay na talaga yung parts na yun. And gusto ko na mag-regrow ng healthy hair. So let me know in the comment section below what you think. Please do like this video if you find it helpful. Subscribe to my channel and share this video. And if you have any more makeup or video suggestions, then please do enter them down in the comment section below. Just remember, no hate, just love.